Why do men cheat?
It's not nowadays, first of all. It has been happening since past, since forever. It's just
I
that
think एक राजा की तब 50-60 रानियां थी, अब उनको इनविजिबल वाली चाहिए, एक मेन रखनी है, तो ये बहुत 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 पुरानी गाथाएं हैं हमारी.
So what's your name?
Damini,
Damini.
निधि.
Okay. So any one surname you will never date?
okay, Khan.
Khan.
Yeah.
Okay.
My own surname भामरा. Because भाई हो जाएंगे ना, भाई बहन हो जाएंगे, तो भामरा.
So would you rather cheat or be cheated on?
Cheat.
Cheat. Okay.
Cheat.
Okay.
Who would like to get cheated, bro? Very bad. Yeah.
Would you rather date a guy who posts you on social media or keeps your relationship private?
I think a mix of that. Mix of that. Nowadays, it is needed. I think.
Okay.
I think I'm extremely private, so yeah, private.
Would you accept? ये भी ठीक है. I like this what she's having.
She is too much.
I had something. Yeah.
Okay. अच्छा, red flag in you.
In me,
Yeah.
hate possessiveness. Very much.
No, but I think red flag is that
In
you
you,
being
in
a
you.
red flag for others.
Even I am possessive. Yes, I am.
You bitch.
I don't let others be possessive about me, but I am fucking possessive about my husband. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I think red flag ज़्यादा अपने लिए बोलूँगी that I'm very over caring and I'm working on it. Yeah, so no, आपको नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be caring, not over caring.
And what you like find red flags in others?
Controlling. Yeah.
You तो over possessive.
Yeah, for sure.
Other than that, anything else?
Somebody trying to control, like just she said, it is very bad. Yeah, so that is a red flag for sure for any girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
नाच अभी. देखा हम control नहीं है.
Can you wink?
Oh my god.
Okay, now
I think simple यार.
So what will you choose? पसंद की शादी, your mom dad never dies, 20 करोड़ और free world tour.
Mom, dad never dies from heart.
Okay.
Mom, dad never dies.
That's nice.
I think when you have your parents, you have all the thing in the world.
You have your like so-called 20 crore in the form of mummy ka parantha. You have your world tour in the form of mummy की चपेड़े and पापा की डांट, because वो दुनिया घुमा देते हैं ना थप्पड़ आपको, है ना. So
तारे दिखा देते
तारे दिखा देते हैं. हम आसमान तक भी पहुंच सकते हैं अगर मम्मी पापा के साथ में, you know.
So can you love someone and still leave?
If there is some sort of toxicity, or it could be something from the parent side if they are not agreeing. So I've been always clear about it. If somebody I more love, they have to, they tell me that you have to let go of that one. I have to choose between one. So yes, I'll have to let go of one.
Okay. You will choose your mom dad.
Yeah. They are always a priority for sure. Yeah.
Flag, guys, green flag.
Green flag.
Yeah.
Not forest.
I think, yeah, you can leave somebody whom you love, because love doesn't mean controlling or holding somebody in your place. If I am not good for them or either the ways, then I think it's better to leave and you still keep loving, because love खत्म नहीं होता. Love change होता है, transform होता है. यो मत रे पतली.
Would you rather choose a guy who is financially stable but emotionally closed, or emotionally open but financially unstable?
For sure, emotionally open and financial unstable. क्योंकि पापा की परिया भी कमाती है. Yeah, money is not a factor. But yeah, 100% emotional, 100%. Yeah.
The vice versa for me, because I can handle my emotions myself really well. So financial stability matters. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you accept a guy who have like past traumas?
Not as long as I know.
Yeah, no for me as well.
Yeah.
खुद को हील करके आओ है.
या पापा मम्मी का वो तारों का सफर लेकर आओ, थप्पड़ वाला. ठीक करके आओ दिमाग अपना यार.
Would you date someone who is still in touch with their ex?
Never ever.
Doesn't make sense. You're playing with yourself
Yeah.
in that case.
They
Yeah.
be friends with them, no? Like sometimes it happens.
No, I think you can't make peace with your ex. That's the reason she's in your past, because you can't make peace with her.
And that can always come back into your life in the form it was there, because the feelings never fade away,
Yeah.
especially when you are in touch. So yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, it's not something I'd like to have.
Yeah, and maybe the comfort zone also doesn't fade away in the way that they would have their relationship going on in the past. You know, that comfort, or wo jo hota hai na, they're used to with some people of their specific quality with specific trait. वो 1% comfort हमेशा रहता है अगर आप अपनी ex के साथ touch में हो. तो I think for me I would want a complete fresh chapter from fresh canvas, not having any thoughts in the past.
जो अभी बहुत सारे लड़के चीट कर रहे हैं, why do men cheat? Like, what do you think? What is the main reason?
It's not nowadays, first of all. It has been happening since past, since forever. It's just
I
that
think एक राजा की तब 50-60 रानियां थी, अब उनको इनविजिबल वाली चाहिए, एक मेन रखनी है. तो ये बहुत 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 पुरानी गाथाएं हैं हमारी.
अभी हम लोग लड़कियां थोड़ा सा अवेयर हो रही है, so we are like keeping eye on guys and seeing what is going on in their life. So this is something old, and yeah, of course it is not correct. And if it is legal or okay for a boy, and it should be as okay should be for girl. If that is in balance, then I don't think so there is a problem. And nowadays Gen Z, I think we were just discussing about it, Gen Z is becoming more open about their thought, their whatever they want in their life. They are-
Priorities, their needs,
yeah,
their
there's so
thought
many
process, yeah.
terms nowadays, benching this, that, right? So yeah, as long as they are in sync, I don't think so it's a bad thing.
Salary you expect from your partner?
Nahi yaar, no expectations in salary.
No?
I'm married, by the way, so yeah, I mean, as long as we are keeping happy, salary is just a number, just like ages. It does matter for a decent lifestyle, but I'm not gonna market at a price of, okay, this is how it should be, because people have their different lifestyle. Some people are really happy even going in autos, rickshaws and all. They have the happiness, they have all the sukoon in their life. On the other side, there are people, this girl told me this once, people traveling in Lamborghini, Audi, but then still not happy. So how would that matter? I think the eventual goal of life is measuring your peace, measuring your love, success in terms of, all the parameters which you can actually grow in, not in this. Because money today is there, tomorrow it might not be there with you, no matter how rich guy you're marrying.
Yeah, and I think for me, the question was how much salary do I expect from my partner? I think he should be hardworking. He should be earning. So there is no itna bracket, itna dollar, itna rupees, कुछ भी वो matter नहीं करता. Hardworking and mindset to work होना चाहिए. घर पे ना बैठे यार. और बाकी पापा की बढ़िया कमाती हैं फिर से. तो सब बढ़िया है. And I think adding or reiterating her point is happiness is what matters in the end. अगर आप गोल्ड की प्लेट में भी खाना खा रहे हो और मज़ा नहीं आ रहा खाने का, तो वो सब बेकार है, गोल्ड की प्लेट भी. बट अगर आप ऐसे डूने में खा रहे हो मस्त,
We are Punjabis, by the way.
हम हंस के खाना खा रहे हैं, वो मैटर करता है. कंपनी, योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, योर मैटर, वो सब मैटर करता है आपके पार्टनर के साथ भी.
Right. अच्छा एक
तेरा प्यार चाहिदा.
अच्छा reason why a guy should date you?
Oof. Can my friend comment that why should somebody date me?
I think that should be good, right? I mean, she's someone who is emotionally available all the time. She's gonna give her whole to the person she's gonna be dating with, and she prioritize how it matters. So that's a plus point for someone who might be looking in those qualities.
And I think why a man should marry my friend, date my friend, is डबल इंजन की सरकार है ये. लिटरली बहुत क्लियर गोल्स के साथ खुद भी उड़ेगी, उसके साथ जो पर्सन होगा उसको भी उड़ाएगी. दैट मीन्स उसको इमोशनल इंडिपेंडेंस, फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस, कोई चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. एंड आई एम श्योर इसका जो माइंडसेट है वो है कि एवरी शी ग्रोज विद द टाइम एंड शी हैव द पर्सपेक्टिव. इसका खुद का ओपिनियन है बट शी हैव द पर्सपेक्टिव. हाँ, ये चीज़ सही है, ये चीज़ गलत है, ये चीज़ बढ़िया है. So she is very open at the same time she is very strongly minded into one thing, but she's open also to hear other thoughts. So I would see it as a proper lady boss type of ooh auntie bye. Okay, so yeah,
I just love their friendship. Bhai, they are very cheerful, and very encouraging each other. So yeah. Thank you so much. It was really nice meeting you.